Hi! Kamusta tayong lahat? We are now on our second episode para dun sa video instructional series na ginagawa natin to prepare ourselves for the Sing and Joy 2020 that will happen this October. As of now, again, wala pa po tayo natatanggap na kahit anong notice of cancellation. Hindi pa siya mapopostpone. So, Gora, fight pa rin. We'll be there this October. Last time, we talked about creating our own list, yung mga listahan ng dadali natin. And this time around, for this video, I would want to show you how to pack my luggage, assuming na paalis na tayo bukas. So, I chose some pieces na gagamitin ko for that event, assuming na ngayon na tayo aalis. And I'll teach you, or I'll give you tips on how I would personally pack them. I think efficient enough and can be very helpful para sa ating lahat. Okay, again, as we all know, I am a large person. Tagal na akong matangkad and lahat ng items ko ay malalaki. Either malalaki or mahaba. Having said that, traveling light is actually a particular challenge para sa akin kasi kahit konti yung items, malalaki sila. So I think this is a good challenge for me at the same time for you as well to find the best fit para dun sa mga items nyo. But on my end, ganito ko siya ipapack. Bago tayo mag-empake ng gamit, so again, ang ginawa ko is nilay down ko muna lahat ng dadalhin ko sa isang bed, sa bed ko dito sa bahay. And para makita ko lahat kung kumpleto ba siya. At the same time, gumawa na ako ng listahan ko, this time it's a digital listahan, ng dadalhin ko to ensure na lahat nandun. So once nakita ko siya, check, that's how it is. So, bago ko ipakita kung paano ko siya nilayout, paano ko siya nilatag dun sa bed, dito muna tayo. So, first things first na kailangan natin gawin, again, create natin yung listahan, verify, check everything, ensure natin na lahat nandun. Second, again, ilabas natin lahat ng items, ilagay natin sa bed, o kung wala tayong kama, siguro anything na malinis na surface, nandun silang lahat. And make sure na malinis sila. Have them ironed out. Konting disclaimer, medyo bad example yung items since hindi pa ako namamalansya. But let's assume na wala silang kahit anong gusot. Okay? So, assuming dun tayo sa part na yun. And for shoes or any footwear, pakilinis. So, an example will be this. So, this is my perf shoes. So, nalinis ko na siya. I use yung, I think that's Auto Shoes na leather conditioner. So, pahid mo lang. Make sure na malinis siya. Worthy. So, so, that's how it is. For this very particular shoes nga pala, I'm not gonna pack it. Since, as of now, kung ako masusunod, ito yung susuotin ko papunta mismo dun sa venue. Part siya nung travel getup natin. Okay. And then, again, still saying goes sa sapatos and footwear. I mentioned last time that I would opt to have our own comfy shoes. Like I mentioned, I'm opting to use one of my high cuts. So this is my high cut na gagamitin ko for that event. And, so tanggalan natin siya ng stuffing. Okay, so they're cleaned out. Bakit ko pinapakita? Kasi I'll teach you one particular trick. So, kasi kung i-empake mo siya, lalo na sa isang cramped na luggage, most likely, mapipipi siya, madideform yung sapatos. So, what I do to save space at the same time is to stuff them with your socks. Okay? Before stuffing them, kuha ako na kahit anong plastic or anything na pwede kong gamitin. So, let's build one. Okay. So again, para tayo. So I am preparing 6 pairs of socks. Siyempre, bukod pa yung suot ko dito sa mismong araw. I think this would suffice. So, 3 on 3, I'll stuff 3 dun sa left foot ng shoes. Just zip it in. So again, that's shoe number 1. Kuuli tayo ng pang-wrap na sa kabila. Okay. And the rest of the socks, place them there. And stuff uli natin siya. Stuff uli natin siya dun sa sapatos. Okay, there we go. So, kahit madaganan siya, hindi siya basta-basta malideform. Isa rin yung way para dun sa safety ng sapatos. Okay. So, still saying go sa sapatos, whenever you are packing any pieces of footwear, make sure na meron kayo either, this is a shoe bag. Bakit? Para malinis yung ibang items. Para hindi siya madumihan. Kahit na nalinis nyo na, mas safe na meron. So, let's pack them in. Okay, so that's 1. And there's the other. Okay. So here we go. So, yun na yung ito na yung shoes, pair ng shoes na ipapack ko dun sa maleta. So, ito lang natin. Last is dun sa footwear, again, aside dun sa comfy shoes, I would want everyone, and we strongly suggest na magdala tayo ng kanya-kanya nating slippers or flip-flops for that matter. So, ito, again, have them clean, dapat malinis, and stuff lang natin siya. Okay, so this is a garment bag that I usually use for groceries, pero pwede ko siya for that. So, yun lang, balutin, and lagyan lang natin sa side. So again, those are gonna be for the footwears, and dun sa socks. Now, up next will be papakita ko kung paano ko ni-layout o pinlatlay sa bed yung mga items, mga susuotin, and yung maleta. So, nagsimula na tayo mag-package ng maleta. Okay guys, here we go. As we can see, ayan yung mga items na inisip kong dalhin. So, like I mentioned, it's good na magkaroon tayo ng isang get up for the night. So dun sa initial event sa mismo October 7 pagdating natin doon. So, I have yung mga pantulog. Then, that actually hindi siya i-empake. Nilagay ko lang yan dyan. That's my pair of jeans. So, like I mentioned, kung ako masusunod kasama siya dun sa get up papunta. Why? Kasi mabigat. Nga pala, again, tip. Anything that's heavy na pwede mo naman suotin mo going there. Para mas safe, mas convenient. Tsaka hindi mo siya i-check-in, hindi siya magdadagdag pa ng weight doon. The costume, isang get up dyan, isang set. Then, here yung mga items na inisip ko kung ngayon ako aalis, ganyan ko siya paplanuhin. So, I would want yung mga yan. I have a pullover sweatshirt. Pwede ring hoodie, but I think sweatshirt will do. Tapos, yun yung set of underwear na daling ko. Since, nakapack siya doon sa isang reused na item. Packaging yan ng bedsheet. And yung maleta ko, ito yung mga footwears. Ito yung shoes kanina. Ito yung sinelas. Okay. So, again, let's assume na na-plan siya, maayos siya. Alright. Oh, by the way, dito sa side na to, ito yung go-to toiletries ko every day. I'll be preparing a list nga rin pala. Share ko na lang siguro sa inyo kung saan ko na makikita yung mga restricted items. Sa hand carry luggage, hindi siya dapat yan to. Okay, but let's assume na pasado siya. Of course, your wallet, any documents, ito, charger, lagay ako ng headset. This is my cutlery set. I don't think dadalhin ko yan. Kung kasya, why not? And of course, power bank. My planner and my pen dyan sa loob. Okay. Okay, so that's how I do it. If you'll notice, marami pa siyang space sa loob. Kaya ganun, kasi I'm deciding to travel light. Ganun ang importance sa pagka-travel light. Kasi mas gagaang siya, kung ano lang essentials, yun lang talaga yung dadalhin mo. And, of course, if ever, meron kang space para sa mga souvenir items na gusto mong iuwi going back to Manila. Now, you may ask, hindi ko kasi inimpake yung night getup and yung costume. As I mentioned earlier, yung costume bag, kasi dapat lagi mong hawak. Again, essential yan. Napaka-essential yan. And bakit hindi ko ito inimpake? So, ang gagawin ko na lang dito, para hindi masira yung suit, isasama ko siya sa garment bag. So, pake ko lang yung isang buong getup doon. This is it. There we go. So, sa garment bag, nandiyan na yung pang first night ko, kung night party man siya. Diyan na siya, and yung costume na gagamitin ko. Okay, alright, so that's episode number 2. I hope that you find this episode helpful as well. If you can notice, wala naman kasi talagang very specific way on how you can pack your items, how you can pack your own suitcase. Ako, it's a matter of Tetris lang. So, facial recognition lang, anong kasya dito. Tapos, konting logic, kung alam kong masisira to kapag itinabi ko dito, yung mga ganong bagay. Alright? So, and again, we will have some more videos coming up. Hopefully, wag na ma-extend yung lockdown dito sa Luzon for us to finally engage again with the physical meetup and of course for us to rehearse. But if ever na ma-extend talaga siya, wag na. I'll continue posting these videos na makakatulong sa inyo. Alright, again, thank you and I'll see you very, very soon, guys.